Oh, so that was a lane filtering issue. We were slowing down and stopping because we didn't feel comfortable. Somebody kind of passed us and then somebody else hit us. So when you're lane filtering, pay attention. Holy shit. Angel or not, here we go. So lane filtering, and then we had to switch over and we almost hit that vehicle. So lost some traction hitting that brake. We did have a decent plan until we got right behind them. Not good. Here we go. So this person's gonna crash, dumps the bike. The other person crashed before even hitting that person, so they panicked too. So we have two panickers, or there could have been a road surface hazard. Kind of injuries do they have? So Rainbow USMC, here we go. Ooh, nice progressive braking. I think we've seen this one already, but you know, this is the first time seeing it on bikers, so we're gonna see it now. So good job on the progressive braking. Remember, you can grab some cone patterns and practice your braking skills in a parking lot. All right, Northwest Enduro, here we go. What's gonna happen here? Okay, that's a typical Enduro competition, having some fun, playing around with some friends. Not a big deal. Can break a collarbone, so you might need to get yourself a rescue kit. Nice escape path. Oh my gosh. Really good job on the escape path. Didn't want to have to take it, so maybe slow it down just a little bit. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. CBR Brow, here we go. Okay, got, there's a bus. So it did a good job finding that escape path also. Moved out of the way. Remember that bus was sitting there, so the car was there.
Stupid bitch.
Wanted to go around it. Okay, so it's just a typical thing, just didn't see us. You know, we did a good job, got ourselves out of there. Wear full gear. Wear full gear. Okay. All right, Richard Tiburon. Going around a corner. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Good job that driver actually recognized it, but this rider would have been kind of screwed, right? This is why we wear full gear. Look at it. A bunch of idiots. Now, here's the thing. If you are the one constantly having to deal with this, you might be on the wrong side of the road.
Hold on.
The dog just took that person's tire. Okay. They are robbing that person's car tires. I don't know what kind of dog gang this is. Anybody seen The Secret Life of Pets? Looks an awful lot like that situation. Alright, here we go. Road Surfer. Okay, what is this? I don't know. It looks like a map. I have mine on my phone. Decent job, actually really good job on that progressive braking and then turning. Very narrow road, so maybe slow it down on a road like this. Jar 6D, okay, here we go. Not a lot of gear going on, so if we dump the bike, ooh, almost. When you slam the bike like that, your suspension does this if you land it kind of sideways. So thankfully he didn't crash because he would have been missing all of his skin. We're gonna go ahead and lane filter between FedEx and a taco truck, but the FedEx truck wants to move out of the way of that Prius because Priuses are slow. And now we're moving on with our day. Not a big deal. Found an escape path. Did a decent job. So window motovlog, here we go. I'm going a little too fast. Very illegal. Not very smart. He's going to go ahead and get close to that tire. Not wearing full gear. Thinking Rev Bomb's going to save his ass, but it's really not going to do anything. Go ahead and grab yourself some beginner gear and not be this person. Actually, you know what? Just don't be this. Don't do that. Just don't do that. But yeah, side of the vehicle coming out of the intersection should be an orange stage. We're in an intersection right now, orange stage. You don't know what's going to be happening. That person should have waited. It's your... I think it was... One sec. Was it our turn? 1 second. So that person went. I should go. They went. They shouldn't have gone. That person's going to go because it goes into that... It's counterclockwise. It goes into counterclockwise. So... I don't know. People just don't know how to do intersections with four-way stops. Kind of dumb. If anything, just kind of wait. Okay, roundabouts, instead of a four-way stop, you just kind of wait, you do your thing. You don't typically see big bikes like this out there outside the United States. Pretty cool. So Strider 790 going around the roundabout. Okay, uneven ground, uneven everything. It looks kind of screwy. We got idiots all over the place. Did a good job. I would not use the horn. I would just try to get myself out of that situation. Okay, we're gonna pass everybody. It's a... Okay, that's one of the cool things about having a motorcycle is we could do that. Now, if there was a turn right here, we're kind of screwed. So make sure you get back into your lane and slow it down. Sun in the eyes, it's a little bright. What happened? Alright, so Strider 790 again. Once we got roundabout. Okay, hopefully that person stays in the lane, but they typically don't, so we should anticipate that. kind of wait until they get into this point, and then we start to do that. Definite orange stages did a good job. Did a good job. Okay, watch out. Our lane is moving, their lane isn't. Stay out of people's blind spots unless you can get out of it. So plan your ride. Did fine. So he has his speedo basically right there. We got side of the vehicle right here. Hopefully they stay in their lane, but they're not gonna. They're gonna come in our lane. So he found himself an escape path. Now remember, instead of getting a ram mount like that, you can grab yourself a rock form. We're moving around Ingrid. Okay, we're getting boxed in. I don't like it. We're in the blind spot here off to the left. We don't have a good space cushion. Swerve left a little bit. He did pretty good on his progressive braking. I'll give him that. But that was a boxed in situation. Did not like that. So we have to stop here. Look both ways. It's definitely an orange stage situation. That person's an idiot. Okay, move on with our day. You know, whatever happens, happens. Not a big deal.